What's up guys, it's me again, Joshua C from TechMe. So I've got a package delivered to me and guess what? Yes, never settle. It's the most anticipated flagship, the OnePlus 8 Pro. Okay, here we go. Look at the design of the box. OnePlus has never stopped impressing me on the effort they put into all the fine details. Okay, enough talking. Let's open it up. A big number 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro imprinted on the reviewer's guidebook with the key color of OnePlus. So it's always fun to read through the guidebook, but now just lay it aside and continue with the box. Aha, OnePlus cases. One of the most iconic OnePlus cases is the sandstone finish design that usually comes in greyish black, but this time OnePlus has given it a color spin with the new cyan color, and the next one will be the carbon bumper case. Now let's pull the black strip up to get our main highlight of the day out of the box. And of course, this is how the actual retail packaging looks like. Let's unwrap it and get the cover off. Nice. The first thing laid on top is the OnePlus 8 Pro and OnePlus key slogan, never settle. Next, let's unwrap the phone and here we go. Oh, look at the bright green color. The one on my hand here is the all-new Glacial green, and this is by far my favorite back cover design among other flagship phones, especially on its smooth reflective matte finish that you won't get any fingerprint stains on it. As you all know, I'm not a fan of fingerprint stains, but it seems this time you can't lay the phone flat with the large camera bump on the rear. Coming up, there's the quick start guide, OnePlus stickers, the nicely designed silicone back cover with never settle imprinted, and a sandy material on the sides, the iconic red and white USB-C cable, and the 30-watt wall charge adapter. Okay, let's turn it on. Starting from the back, we have the cube-shaped quad camera setup on the top with the OnePlus logo and branding at the bottom. On the sides, we have the volume rocker, power button, and the alert slider, which is one of my favorite features and the only one you can find on an Android phone. On the bottom, we have the USB-C port, dual nano SIM slot, and also the speaker grill. And this time, OnePlus claimed to be having the best smartphone display with the most color accurate panel that got awarded an A+ by DisplayMate, coming in with a 6.78-inch 1440p Fluid AMOLED curved display. The best part of it is the 120Hz refresh rate. You all know how smooth things are with the 120Hz, right? So in order to make the video cope up with the smoothness, OnePlus has developed a motion optimization feature called motion graphic smoothing. So how does it work? As most of the movies are shot in 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second, it then will insert additional frame rates to upscale the videos to make it as smooth as 120Hz. But if you don't like it, you can always turn it off in this setting. And unlike any other flagship phones, the OnePlus 8 Pro allows you to switch to the highest display settings of 1440p together with 120Hz. But as usual, the auto tune down to 60Hz is still there whenever you open up an app that doesn't need 120Hz or at rest. And noticing the punch hole camera at the corner? Yes, the OnePlus 8 Pro ditched the motorized pop-up selfie camera and go with the punch hole selfie camera design instead. I'm not sure why, but I would say it's a good choice for putting it on the side because you can't really notice it while watching a movie. Now for the cameras, OnePlus has finally responded to our call and bringing up the game on its camera. It comes with a 48MP f1.78 main camera, 48MP ultra-wide camera, 8MP 3x telephoto lens, 5MP color filter camera, and also a 16MP punch hole selfie camera on the front. Speaking of camera upgrades, the pictures taken from the device is pretty good and the details are well captured, especially for the macro mode taken from the ultra-wide lens. It gives you a real fine details that you can see on the rise up shot. As for videos, it can now go up to 4K cine 60 frames per second, which you can shoot with a 21:9 aspect ratio. And with the improved video stabilization and 3 HDR technology, it will give you a better dynamic range shot with any lighting background. So as a flagship phone, it comes with the Snapdragon 865 5G processor coupled with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is 30% faster than the previous devices, and also up to 256GB of storage that runs on the Oxygen OS. And the best part is OnePlus finally has wireless charging. Yes, the OnePlus 8 Pro comes with a 30-watt wireless charging, but the catch is you need to pair it with the OnePlus wireless charging dock. Not to mention, it also comes with the reverse charging, and also the one we've been waiting for, dust and waterproof certified IP68. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the upgrades on the OnePlus 8 Pro with nothing to pick on. But nothing is perfect. The one weak spot I found on the OnePlus 8 Pro is the cooling management. It hits up from time to time while I'm playing my games and using the cameras. Maybe that's something you should look out for. So that's all for today. Do give a thumbs up if you like this video, smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadgets review. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.